Good afternoon and welcome to another of Tim's Tech Talk videos here at Venom Motorsports Canada. And today we're having a look at the X22 and we're paying particular attention to the speed transducer, which of course allows us to sense the speed of the bike when it's in motion. So the first question is, what the heck is a speed transducer and how does it work? So we move to the front section of the bike, and when your bike arrives, you should come with the speed transducer, which is going to be located on the left side of the bike, and this bushing. This bushing is to be located on the right-hand side of the bike. So I'm going to set down the bushing for a minute, and we're going to have a look at the speed transducer. So if we were to open this speed transducer up, so we pull the clip back, screw back this fastener, what you would see is a cable inside this black rubber casing that you see right here, and the cable runs up from the speed transducer to the speedometer inside the bike. When the bike is in motion, this element here rotates with the axle, transfers that motion to the cable. That motion then goes up through the cable to the speedometer and tells you what your speed is. Now, for this to work, this speed transducer has to be installed on the left-hand side of the bike, so this would be on the left-hand side of the front rim, and really only goes in one way, and I'll show you why. If we have a look at the front tire, again, this would be the left-hand side of the tire. You can see where the speed transducer comes in contact with and then mates with this fitting. It is this little fitting inside the axle that actually acts on the speed transducer and picks up the speed. If this little piece is missing, then your odometer is going to read 0. Your speedometer will not be able to function. So you have to have this little fitting on the left-hand side of the tire. This is also handy because it also helps you identify which side's left and which side is right. So in order to determine that, again, this is the left-hand side of the tire when installed, and this is what the right-hand side of the tire would look like. Because sometimes it's also possible for people to try and install these backwards. So again, this side is the right side, and this side is the left. I hope you found this video informative, my friends. Take care. Enjoy the ride. Bye-bye.